So it's 13/10, Saturday, April 18th. If you can see it there on the phone. Okay, so now it's 13/11. If we're live, are we live? We're live. Okay, so it's 13/11, April 28th, whatever. April 8th, I don't know. Set it once over. So here's the box. It arrived 3 days ago. It doesn't have any shaking to it, so I'm just gonna rip into it. I've got the batteries for it. Okay, so I've got batteries for it. I already took a picture of the front, so I don't have to worry about ruining the address and all that. And I have already had 2 of this model and sold them both. And I just like this model because this one has a very good sound to it. All right, so now, the lady sent it to me 2 days speed, and I got here in 2 days. But I didn't need it in 2 days because I had so many other things I've been doing. So, but anyway, so here it is, nicely in newspaper and wrapped in bubble wrap. And it's supposed to have a power supply thing, so let's see if we can. And there's the power supply thing, although I didn't bring out a power cord because that's just too much hassle. Alright, so there's nothing else in here that I know of, just a whole lot of stuff. Okay, that's one. I'm not worried about if there's no invoice. Don't need an invoice, just there it is. Okay, so now let's get to opening this up. And of course, oh good, this person didn't use a whole lot of tape. Some people take the heck out of these things. Great, so very good, yeah. So I got this because it's supposedly complete. The radio works, but she said in the listing she was unsure about the cassette deck working. So let me just get to putting some batteries in here. So some batteries. I got some brand new Duracells. Okay. Would have used my other batteries, but I don't have enough rechargeables in a C size, so I'll just throw these in. That. I'm trying to do this quickly because, oh crud. Oh, that figures. I'm sitting on a slotted bench. And I had my cassette here, and so now I gotta go and get my cassette. Alright, yeah, I can flex. Okay, so there's that. Put the battery cover back on. Don't need to lose it. Or have the batteries come flying out like they normally do. So, alright, so it's on tape. Put it on radio. Got a tape in here. Ha! What do you mean doesn't know what the tape? There's a tape in this machine. Alright, so that's the radio. What happened to the radio? It went away. Well, no, wait. It just worked. For about that long and stopped. Well, get the radio full blast. Okay, well there's no anything now. Let's see here, if we hit eject. Eject came out. Here's a tape. Frank Patterson, my Irish Holly. There we go. I don't know what that is. Alright, so if we hit play. Okay, so it's motor noise, but nothing's turning. Let's see, is the cap stand turning? Nope. on fast. Now, no sound whatsoever now. Huh. Let's go back. Well, probably the batteries are new. Okay. Let's take out a battery. Well, okay. I'll just investigate this further. I don't need to try and play this right now. They played it on that. Probably has corroded battery terminals, but it looks like, you know, this here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's got some whatever on the front. Okay, and it's got, you know, your full complement of line in. I like this radio because this has a very good sound to it. It's got your tape, your ambience, line in, selectable, AM, FM, tone, balance, and volume. That's all you need to know. And for y'all over here on YouTube, looks like this. Okay, looks like that. Again, it's got, you know, the metal tape, ambience, function switch with line in, AM, FM, tone, treble, balance, volume. And oh, this also has TPS, which is tape program search, which does it for one song. So here's all your input deals. You see that there? Take 6 C batteries in the back, and it's got a tuning knob, woohoo, and no one ever shows the bottom, so there is the bottom. Okay, so good day, bye-bye to this camera, bye-bye.